Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on LinkedIn and you forgot your email and phone number that you used to sign up, or maybe it was one that you don't have access to anymore, I'll walk you through the entire process to get back into your account. Now let's open up a web browser here. Let's say you're on LinkedIn, but you don't know your email or phone number, and essentially you need to go forward and log into your account, but you can't. This also works if you were with a company and used that company email address, but now you no longer have access to that phone number or email. Let's hit Forgot Password here. Now it says email or phone number. What you can do on here is just type in any email address that you remember that you use. It doesn't necessarily have to be the LinkedIn email address that is associated with your account. Just type in any one here. So let's just say I type in just a random email here and hit next. Now it might do a security check here. I'm going to hit verify and do the one that's right side up. Now the cool thing on here is if it doesn't recognize that email, you're essentially going to enter in one of your email addresses that you regularly use. This doesn't have to be the one that's associated with your account again. After that, it says, all right, it will send the code here, but you're going to hit can't access this email at the very bottom. Now, after you do that, the cool thing is it says provide a new email address. So enter in your new email address, re-enter it, and then it also says basically search on Google for your LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn profile and enter in the URL directly for that LinkedIn profile. Now, the cool thing is, after you go through this process, essentially what it will do is it will show you a QR code that you can then use on your phone or on another device. You can scan that QR code to confirm that you are the actual owner of that account. And then after going through that process, it will let you back into your account and reset your password, so that you'll be able to use that new password to log in and that new email address that you just entered in directly on here. So that's basically how you can recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.